Hey everyone, if Opera GX Sync is not working, your bookmarks, passwords, or tabs aren't updating across devices, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to restore Opera GX Sync. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sync won't work properly if your network keeps disconnecting. Next, try signing out of your Opera account and logging back in. Yeah, this often resets sync issues instantly. Make sure sync is actually turned on. I mean, sometimes it gets disabled after updates or changes. Go into sync settings and verify what items are selected. So bookmarks, history, and passwords must all be enabled if you want full syncing. Try restarting the browser. Temporary glitches can stop sync services from updating properly. Corrupted cache or cookies can break sync behavior. Yeah, clearing them may fix connection issues with Opera servers. Some extensions, especially privacy tools or ad blockers, can interfere with sync, so try disabling them temporarily. Make sure Opera GX is fully updated. I mean, outdated versions can cause sync conflicts or authentication issues. Sometimes the issue is with your account. Try logging into your Opera account on another device to confirm it's working. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Yeah, it can block or slow down sync services. If sync works in incognito mode, the issue is likely caused by extensions or cached data. I mean, this is a quick way to test it. If nothing works, contact Opera GX support. They can help diagnose deeper sync or account issues. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Opera GX Sync not working and get your data syncing again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.